Hello ladies, let's talk about our awesome shampoo and conditioning bars and how to use them. It's actually a very simple thing. So first and foremost, I highly recommend buying these little mesh bags that you can actually hang on your shower knob, or you can just set them on your shower. You're gonna put your shampoo in one and your conditioner in other. Keep in mind, these are 100% natural. They create very little to no waste, and you're gonna get 100 washes out of these. So all you do is have your hair kind of parted like this, and you're gonna get the bar wet. Keep in mind, you're not gonna get as much of a lather, if any, when you're using these bars. You are going to simply paint it on your root and the base of your hair all over. So I like to go in different sections. And then after you get that in, you gently massage the product all over your scalp. And as you rinse it out, that is going to cleanse your full head. You do not have to paint it all the way down to the bottom shaft of your hair. So again, all you do is put it in this little mesh bag, get it wet, and then you gently paint it onto the root. You can section your hair off and paint it. And then you take your hands, massage it into that scalp. You can let it sit for a minute or two, rinse it out, and same thing with that conditioning bar. You're gonna feel so nice and smooth after you use these. They're a great price and a great way to create absolutely no waste and use a 100% natural product. I love these, and happy hair washing.